G'day and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. My name is Sean and today I'm going to take these wonderful pre-cut pieces of fabric and turn it into Clue 3 of the So Sweet, no, Village Green Puzzle Mystery Quilt by Cotton Cuts. This is the lavender colorway and I'm excited to see how it all comes together and what today's block's going to look like. Without further ado, here it is and I hope you enjoy. And we are all done with Clue 3. We have the one block, which is block 3, and this is how it turned out in the lavender colorway. I love all the different purples. I really enjoy the ferns up here, and the pink and the purple down here. And it's just, yeah, I love doing these puzzle mystery quilts. The fun of it is that you get to put these wonderful blocks together, and you do not know how it's going to be arranged in the final quilt. I tried figuring it out last time, and I think only one person's ever been successful in figuring out the entire pattern, and I don't think I'm going to be able to do that, but I think I might have cracked part of it. Let me see what you guys think. I think if you put these two pieces together, the two Clue 3s, it makes this beautiful star. And I have a feeling this may go in the center of the quilt. So let's see when Clue 10 comes out if I'm right, but I think I've got a good chance of cracking this part of it at least. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely hit the like button. Tell a friend, and I always love hearing comments from you. I hope you all have a great week. Happy sewing, and we'll see you all next time.